Lion de la teranga, lion de la teranga, lion de la teranga.
The light source determines which area is light and which area is dark. Drawing crystal cut glass. A white crayon on a black canvas creates a stunning image. The artwork has been speeded up, but you can still see the delicate touches of the artist. Additional marks create the reflectiveness of the wine glass. Is it worth a like?
Here are 10 emotions. Each emotion sketch contains the key elements which clearly convey that emotion. To begin, here are the key elements to show anxiety in your drawings. Sadness is expressed with the half-closed eyes and a downturned mouth. Loneliness is illustrated with a sideways look and sad eyes. To express heartache, eyes look down below a frown and the mouth is slightly open. That Monday morning look is shown with sad eyes, disheveled hair, and a tired expression. Jealousy has that sideways look with the eyes, straight lips, and a frown. Nostalgia is illustrated with a far-away, distant look, head on arm or hand, eyes not focused on anything. Head back, mouth open, eyes closed, expresses elation. Lastly, we have depression. The body in fetal position, head down on knees with eyes far away, mouth closed and straight.
Creating instant drama and movement. Please like and subscribe. Adios.
To improve your shading, you have to have a light source. Here it is, the dot. Imaginary lines from the light source indicates the area in which the shadow will fall. This is the shadow of a drum or cylinder. We now look at a box or cube. The same principle applies. A light source and lines to indicate where the shadow will be. With the ball or marble, you still need the light source and guidelines. Finally, the cone. As with the other shapes, find the light source and the guidelines. With practice, you soon won't need the guidelines. There are over 1,000 art ideas and art tips on my YouTube channel, Yo2condoit. See you there.
I'm trying to put you in the worst mood. He want cleaner than your church shoes. $1.2 just to hurt you. All red line just to tease you. I don't wanna be where the sun never sets. City lights swallow just all of the rest. And I don't know, I don't think but I just turn my head away, your face against the trees. But I just see the memories as they come, and I couldn't help but fall in love again. No, I couldn't help but fall in love again. love navigates the corridor.
The nose.
Well, it's one for the money, two for the show, three to get ready. Now go, cat, go, but don't you step on my blue suede shoe.
Raindrops fall so soft and light on the streets through the night.